friends from Room 101 and friends from Barb Vic's school. This is Mrs. Wang again. Ni hao, hola, jumbo. I'm so glad you're here again today. You all know Earth is a home to everybody in the whole wide world. How can we take care of the Earth? How can we make sure that the Earth is clean with less garbage? There's a word, we call it reuse. Now look at stuff over there. I know you have a lot of the boxes at home. Remember in school, you used blocks, tiles, Legos to build train stations, houses, castles, zoo, racing car tracks, and towers? Can you use these boxes to build the same thing at home? Can you reuse them to build something else? What else can you do with them? Today, Ms. Wang is going to show you how can you use cereal boxes to make puzzles. First, you need a cereal box. And then you're going to choose which side do you like better. I like this side. And then you cut. You want to come closer? Okay, I cut it. Okay, here we go, this part. So we're going to use the bottom as the base for the puzzle. Put this aside. Okay, over here. And then you're going to decide how many pieces do you want. So I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line here. So I'm going to cut a curved line here. I'm going to cut this in half. So I know I'm going to match the letter K. And also I'm going to cut the strawberry in half like this. So now we know we need to match the strawberry. Again, I'm going to cut this part in half too. Okay, so now I'm going to cut along the line. First, a straight line over here, and then a curved line right here. And over here. Okay, now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. I'm going to start with 5 pieces. If it's too easy for you, of course, you can always cut more and make more pieces. For example, maybe I'm going to cut right here. So, and then I make more pieces. See? A lot of pieces. You can continue to cut, make a lot of pieces. Now I'm going to use the rest of the part as the base. So I can start to work. Okay, first, starting from the top. Now I'm going to think about to use my brain problem solving skills. I know this part and goes together. Again, I'm going to use my brain to solve the problem. I see the curved line, and I know curved line goes with curved line. And I know curved line goes with curved line right here. Okay, now I know straight line goes along the straight side. And the other one. Oh, doesn't go that way. Have to be the bottom. Very good. Oh, nope, it's not right. Go this way. Oh, the curl line goes with the other. See? I really have to think and have to be very patient in order to complete my puzzle. Here it's done. Again, I can cut more and make more pieces. Anywhere you want to cut. Remember, when you do it at home, have a lot of fun. And remember, Miss Wang loves you. I love you. 我爱你. Bye-bye. See you next time.